Intro, Bike Empire. Welcome to Bike Empire, your trusted hub for honest and simple bike reviews. Today we're talking about one of the most popular and reliable commuters in the 100 cubic centimeters segment, the Hero HF Deluxe. Design and build quality. The Hero HF Deluxe keeps things practical with a clean and simple commuter design. It features a lightweight frame, comfortable upright seating, and functional styling that makes it ideal for daily city rides. The build quality feels sturdy enough for long-term use, especially for riders who want a no-nonsense bike. Engine and performance. Powering the HF Deluxe is a smooth and efficient 97.2 cubic centimeters engine designed for everyday commuting. It delivers steady power for city traffic while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. The engine refinement makes it easy to ride even for beginners, and the gear shifts are light and smooth. Comfort and ride experience. The Hero HF Deluxe focuses on comfort with a well-cushioned seat and relaxed riding posture. The suspension handles rough roads reasonably well, making daily travel more comfortable. Its lightweight body also makes maneuvering through traffic effortless. Mileage and practicality. One of the biggest reasons riders choose the HF Deluxe is mileage. It's known for being incredibly fuel efficient. Low running costs, affordable maintenance, and strong resale value make it a practical choice for budget-focused commuters. Features and variants. The HF Deluxe comes with useful features like electric start options, i3S idle stop technology in select variants, alloy wheels, and clear instrument display. These small yet helpful features add convenience to daily use. Final verdict. The Hero HF Deluxe is perfect for riders who want a simple, reliable, and highly economical commuter motorcycle. If your priority is mileage, comfort, and low maintenance, this bike continues to be one of the best options in its class.